JP Morgan CEO Dimon warns of U.S. stock market correction risk, BBC reports. So this is a blind spot for the left. If you look at our bias distribution over here, it says 12% reporting coming from the left with 35% from the center and 53% coming from the right. Typically you see right-wing articles are a little bit more scare tactic, doom and gloom kind of thing. It says 82% of the sources are high factuality or above though, so that's good. My story is from qz.com. So let's see here. Quartz.com. So I tried to pull from Reuters, but I think that there was some kind of issue with it, but it doesn't matter. So second down on the factuality list, very high factuality rating with a center leaning distribution. And let's go ahead and see what Jamie Dimon is saying here. So JP Morgan Chase CEO Jamie Dimon is sounding the alarm about the stock market, saying he expects a significant correction could be on the way, perhaps in as little as 6 months. In an interview with the BBC, Dimon said he was far more worried than others about a serious market correction than his peers. While he declined to put an exact timeline on his bearish prediction, he said it could happen anywhere from 6 months to 2 years from now. So he doesn't think it's going to happen tomorrow. So if the market is pricing in 10%, I would say it's more like 30, and I'm not saying next year because of the timing of these things is almost impossible, he said. Dimon pointed to a number of risk factors for the market, including the geopolitical environment, fiscal spending, and the remilitarization of the world. Any of those, he said, could cause issues that the market and world wouldn't know how to address. So I say the level of uncertainty should be higher in most people's minds than what I would call normal, he said. One area where Dimon isn't concerned, however, is one that many others have been watching: the continued investment into AI. Many economists have warned that there could be an AI bubble forming, which rivals the one that grew around the internet stocks at the turn of the century, they're talking about the dot-com bubble in the early 2000s. So Dimon said he believes that AI will pay off, though some of the money being invested would probably be lost. Dimon seemed to point at the global geopolitical instability as the biggest risk factor facing the economy today and urged the governments to focus on increasing its inventory of weapons. Jesus. People talk about stockpiling things like crypto. I always say we should be stockpiling bullets, guns, and bombs, he said. The world's a much more dangerous place, and I'd rather have safety than not. Amid concerns about the government control of the Federal Reserve, Dimon said he felt the central bank would remain independent despite Donald Trump's frequent comments and posts attacking the Fed chair, Jerome Powell. Dimon said he would take Trump at his word that the Fed would continue to stand on its own. He did express concerns, though, that the Fed might not be able to deliver the rate cuts the market is hoping for as inflation continues to rise. That's a bearish sign. Hey, thanks for watching this clip from Nightly News this morning. If you haven't, make sure that you drop the video a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you never miss a video or when we go live on Tuesdays and Fridays.